student. Today we have to see the chapter 1. Chapter 1, sets, relations and functions. So, chapter 1 is sets, relations and functions. So, first topic is sets, second topic is relation, third topic is function. Today we are going to see the functions. So, topic 3, functions. So, last class functions, the type of functions type of functions. So the functions ennagra paakrom. So now we are going to see the exercise 1.3. Exercise 1.3, 12th sum. 1.3 12th sum. If F such that from R to R is defined by f of x equal to 3x minus 5. Of x equal to 3x minus 5. Prove that F is bijection and find its inverse. Solution. First, to search bijection. So bijection means the F contains one-to-one and onto function. First, to search one-to-one function. One-to-one function. We know that f of x1 equal to f of x2. So f of x value is 3x minus 5. 3x1 minus 5 equal to 3x2 minus 5. Cancel minus 5 on both sides. So remainder terms 3x1 equal to 3x2. So we get x1 equal to x2. Therefore, this function f is one-to-one function. Next, we are going to find onto function. You know that y belongs to real number. Let 3x minus 5 equal to x. 3x plus 5 equal to y. 3x equal to y plus 5. Therefore, x equal to y plus 5 by 3. Next, therefore, f of x equal to f of y plus 5 by 3. F of x value is y plus 5 by 3. So the replacing x by y plus 5 by 3. So here this value is going to x. This value going to x. So f of x equal to 3x minus 5. Then f of y plus 5 by x, y plus 5 by 3. Then 3 into y plus 5 by 3 minus 5. Next 3 cancel 3. Next y plus 5 minus 5. Cancel minus 5 plus 5 minus 5. We get y. So f of x equal to y. Then if f of x equal to y, then f is onto function. F is onto function. Therefore, hence f is bijection. So bijection means f contains onto and onto function, which is called bijection. Next, and find its inverse. Find inverse. To find inverse is inverse 3x minus y equal to 3x minus 5 equal to y. So 3x equal to y plus 5, x equal to y plus 5 by 3. Therefore, f inverse of y equal to x. F inverse of y equal to, you know that f inverse of y equal to x. Next, f inverse of y equal to x is y plus 5 by 3. Replacing y by x. So we get, therefore, f inverse of x equal to x plus 5 by 3. X plus 5 by 3. So this the inverse of f of x. So I have to repeat the sum. Exercise 1.3. Solve sum if f such that from R to R is defined by f of x equal to 3x minus 5. F of x equal to 3x minus 5. Prove that f is bijection and find its inverse. So first to find one-to-one function, second onto function, finally to find inverse. So one-to-one function. The definition of one-to-one function is f of x1 equal to f of x2. So f of x1 value is 3x minus 5, f of x2 value is 3x minus 3x2 minus 5. So cancel minus 5. We get 3x1 equal to 3x2. Therefore x1 equal to x2. So if f of x1 equal to f of x2, then x1 equal to x2. F is one-to-one function. So this is equal, then that is equal. Next, onto function. You know that y belongs to R. That 3x minus 5 equal to y belongs to R. So to find x from 3x minus 5 equal to y. Next to write f of x equal to f of y plus 5 by 3. F is y plus 5 by 3. Next, this function is as f of x equal to 3x minus 5. So here this value going to x in f of x in x. So we get 3 into y plus 5 by 3 minus 5. 3 cancel. We get y plus 5 minus 5. Cancel 5. Get y. F is 1-to-1 function. Hence f is 1-1 function onto function. Hence f is bijection. Finally, to find inverse. So let 3x minus 5 equal to y. So this value equal to y. So to find x, y plus 5 by 3. You know that f inverse of y equal to x. So f inverse of y equal to x value y plus 5 by 3. Replacing y by x. Get f inverse of x equal to x plus 5 by 3. F of x value, if f of x value is 3x minus 5, then f inverse of x value is x plus 5 by 3. Next, we are going to see the exercise 1.3 12th sum. Sorry. 19th sum. So 19th sum is as same 12th sum. So 13th, the formula for converting from Fahrenheit to Celsius temperature. Fahrenheit to Celsius temperature. Celsius temperature is y equal to 5x by 9 minus 160 by 9. Find the inverse of this function. Inverse of this function and determine whether the inverse is also a function. Mark. So I read the question. The function for converting from Fahrenheit to Celsius temperature is y equal to 5x by 9 minus 160 by 9. find the inverse of this function and determine whether the inverse is also a function. So, solution. First we should write y equal to, given the value y is 5x by 9 minus 160 by 9. Next, taking LCM on denominator, we get 5x minus 160. So y is f of x. Y equal to f of x. First to find the inverse function. Find the inverse of this function. So to find the inverse. Let 5x minus 160 by 9 equal to x equal to y or equal to y. 5x minus 160 equal to 9y. 5x equal to 9y plus 160. Therefore, x equal to 9y plus 160 by 5. Therefore, f inverse of y equal to x. So, x is 9y plus 160 by 5. Replacing y by x. We get f inverse of x equal to 9x plus 160 by 5. So, this value is the inverse of x. Next, given the question, determine whether the inverse is also a function. Inverse is also a function. First, to search one-to-one function. F of x1 equal to f of x2. So f of x value is 5x1 160 by 9 equal to 5x2 160 by 9. Cancel 9 on both sides. So we get 5x1 minus 160 equal to 5x2 minus 160. Cancel 160. Remaining times 5x1 equal to 5x2. Therefore, x1 equal to x2. Then f is 1-1 function. 1-1 function. So secondly, onto function. Onto function. We know that let 5x minus 160 by 9 equal to y. 5x minus 160 equal to 9y. 5x equal to 9y plus 160. X equal to 9y plus 160 by 5. This value is x. Next, therefore, f of x equal to f of 9y plus 160 by 5. So this Here this value is going to f of x in x. F of x in x. Then 9y plus 160 by 5 minus 160 by 9. So cancel 5. 9y by 9 equal to y. So therefore f of x equal to y. If f of x equal to y, then f is onto function. So here this function is inverse and also bijective function. The reason this function contain one function and onto function is called bijective function. Thank you. Dear students, exercise 1.3 attempt to sum. If f comma g such that from R to R are defined by f of x equal to modulus of x plus x and g of x equal to modulus of x minus x, find g circle f and f circle g. That is g composite f and f composite function g. Solution: given f of x equal to modulus of x plus x. So modulus of x means plus x minus x. So here modulus of x is plus x minus x plus 5 plus 5 plus x plus x. So modulus of x means plus x minus x. Adding x on both terms, x plus x minus x plus x. So x plus x is 2x. If x greater or equal to 0, reason 2x is positive. If x greater or equal to 0, minus x plus x 0 if x less than 0. So here this limit of x. Next, g of x equal to modulus of x minus x. Modulus of x minus x. So modulus of x minus x plus x minus x. Next, x minus x equal to 0. Minus x minus 2x. If x greater or equal to 0. Minus 2x if x less than 0. X less than 0, then minus 2x. X greater or equal to 0, then f of x equal to 0. Next, to find f circle g. So there are two cases in f circle g. So first case, when x less than 0, x less than or equal to less than 0, if f circle g of x equal to f of g of x. So square box f into f of x, g of x equal to g of x value is minus 2. So g of x when x less than 0, x less than 0, then g of x, x less than 0, x less than 0 in g of x value minus 2x minus 2x. So f of x of minus 2x. So when x less than 0, x less than 0, f of x. So x is 0. So f of minus 2x is also 0. Next, when x greater or equal to 0. When x greater or equal to 0, then find f circle g. F circle g of x equal to f of g of x. So g of x value is when x greater than 0, greater or equal to 0, then g of x. When x greater or equal to 0, then g of x is, so g of x value 0, then f of x equal to f of 0. So this structure is f of x. This structure is as f of x. F of 0. F of 0, then, but limit x greater or equal to 0, 2x. So 2 into 0. 2 into 0, 0. Therefore, when x less than 0, f circle g is 0. When x greater or equal to 0, then f circle g equal to 0. Therefore, f circle g equal to 0 for all x belongs to real R, capital R. So, same way to find g circle f or g composite function f. When x less than 0, in case 1, case 2 is x greater or equal to 0. So, g circle f of x equal to g of f of x. F of x is, so f of x less, when x less than 0, when x less than 0, then f of x less than 0, then f of x is 0. So f of x is 0. So g of 0. So g of x minus 2x. G of x less than minus 2x. So minus 2 into 0 equal to 0. Minus 2 into 0. This condition is when x less than 0. When x less g circle f equal to 0. When x greater or equal to 0. So it is case 2. It is case 2 when x greater or equal to 0. G circle f of x equal to g of f of x. So f of x value if x greater or equal to 0. Then f of x equal to 2x. So friendly g, then this structure is g of x structure. So g of x, if x greater than 0, so g of x is 0. So g circle when x less than 0, then g circle f 0. When x greater than 0, greater or equal to 0, g circle f also 0. So we get g circle f of x equal to 0 for all x belongs to R. அந்த சமத்துவமையை நான் உங்களுக்கு சொல்றேன். நீங்க மாடுலஸ் ஆஃப் x தான் இருக்கணும் பிளஸ் x மைனஸ் x. பிளஸ் x ஓட x ஆட் பண்ணனும், மைனஸ் x ஓட x ஆட் பண்ணனும். Result இங்க 2x 0, x greater or equal to 0, x less than 0. g of x the modulus of x plus x minus x. So minus x already இருக்குங்க இந்த சைடு. கொஞ்சம் 0 இது minus 2x. இங்க f circle f composite function g of x equal to f of g of x. So இந்த வேல்யூ வந்து நம்ம பாக்ஸ் ஆஃப் பண்ணனும். g of x வேல்யூ வந்து minus 2x. எப்படி minus 2x நம்ம செலக்ட் பண்ணோம்னா x less than 0 இருக்கு. அப்ப x less than 0 க்கு என்ன இருக்குன்னு பார்க்கலாம். minus 2x ஆ இருக்கு. g of x க்கு minus 2 அதான் கேக்குறோம். இந்த வேல்யூ நீங்க எதுல அப்ளை பண்ணனும்? எஃப்ல எஃப் ஆஃப் எக்ஸ்ல அப்ளை பண்ணணும். அதே சமயம் கண்டிஷன் எக்ஸ் லெஸ் தன் 0. எக்ஸ் லெஸ் தன் 0 0 தான். கீழே கொண்டு போய் இது எக்ஸே இல்லை. cannot. ஸோ எக்ஸ். ஸோ அப்போ நீங்கள் என்ன பண்ணணும், எக்ஸ் எஃப் ஆஃப் மைனஸ் 2x 0 இன்னும் எக்ஸ் கிரேட் நாட் ஈக்குவல் டு 0. ஸோ ஜி சர்க்கிள் எஃப் ஆஃப் எக்ஸ் எஃப் சர்க்கிள் எஃப் சர்க்கிள் ஜி ஆஃப் எக்ஸ் ஈக்குவல் டு எஃப் ஆஃப் ஜி ஆஃப் எக்ஸ். ஜி ஆஃப் எக்ஸ் வேல்யூ ஸோ எக்ஸ் கிரேட்டர் தென் 0 இருக்கும்போது பார்த்தீங்கன்னா 0 தான் இருக்கும். ஸோ எஃப் ஆஃப் 0 எஃப் ஆஃப் எக்ஸ் நீங்கள் 2 into 0 கொடுத்தீங்கன்னா 0 ஆன்சர் வந்துடும். எஃப் சர்க்கிள் ஜி when எக்ஸ் லெஸ் தென் 0 இருக்கும்போதும் உங்களுக்கு 0 தான், கிரேட் நாட் ஈக்குவல் 0 இருக்கும்போது 0 தான். ரெண்டு ஆன்சர் சேமாக இருக்குது. அப்போ எஃப் சர்க்கிள் ஜி ஆஃப் எக்ஸ் ஈக்குவல் 0 ஃபார் ஆல் எக்ஸ் பிலாங்ஸ் டு ஆர். ஸோ இதே சேம் வே தான் என்ன பண்ணுறோம், ஃபைண்ட் ஜி சர்க்கிள் எஃப். ஃபர்ஸ்ட் கேஸ் 1 when x less than 0, அடுத்து x greater than 0, greater not equal to 0. ஸோ ரெண்டுமே என்ன ஆன்சர் வந்திருக்கும், 0 வந்திருக்கும். அப்போ ஸோ therefore g circle f of x equal to 0 for all x belongs to R.